Alright, so I have a new portable camping grill to share today. This one is pretty small, pretty similar to like the Coleman one I had before. What I like is that this one came almost completely assembled out of the box. I want to say it was over 90% assembled. The only thing I really had to do is put like the handles on and I think the wheels. Other than that, there wasn't much else to do. Now this does have a little locking mechanism that's really easy to even use with just your foot if you wanted to. So with it locked, you just easily press it with your foot. And then you can open this up. And it's pretty easy to wheel and move around. Give that a little tap to lock it in place. Now another nice feature that this one has is a clasp right here in the front. So this will keep this shut in transport. You don't have to worry about that popping up. This one's a pretty large grill. It's over 300 and I want to say 348 square inches of space. This is pretty decent for a small portable grill. It has a 15,000 BTU burner. We will fire that up here in just a moment. Now with this one, we have the option of using the little 1-pound tanks. Or you can get you a hose adapter and put it on a large tank, which is what I will do today. Now what we want to do is go ahead and turn on the flame. Easy start. Alright, swap the propane. Let's go ahead and do it again. There we go, that's a little bit bigger flame. Alright, now we'll let this heat up and then I'll do a quick demo. Now this grill gets really hot really fast. It's saying 650 degrees. Alright, try to move it so we can get some more light from the sun over here. As you can see, it works really well. It gets nice and hot and it cooks pretty quick.